Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing super great. In today's video I will share with you very easy step-by-step recipe on how to make yummy and crunchy Nigeria buns. And if you'd like to know how I made this, please keep watching. To begin, measure 5 cups of flour and sift into a mixing bowl. And make sure to measure your flour very well. Yeah, when I mean very well, don't just pack flour inside the 1 cup and think, oh, this is 1 cup of flour. Finish. No, that is wrong measurement. Be sure to level the top, just like the way I'm doing right now. Level it, with that you will get your measurements correctly. And if today is your first time coming across my channel, you are very welcome. Please click on that subscribe button and join the family. Turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video. And to my other new subscribers, to all my viewers, thank you all so much for always coming back. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you. Full list and measurements of ingredients will be in the description box down below. Be sure to check it out. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. And if you'll be using nutmeg, you can add it at this point. Then mix properly to combine. After that, make a hole in the center of the flour. Then add in the wet ingredients: 1 large egg, melted butter, 1 cup of milk, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of water. And as for the water, you'll be adding it little by little until you get your consistency. Miss consistent. So last week, guys, if you notice, I played music on one of my videos, which was on Thursday. Yeah, on Thursday, because I was having cough. You know, there's this kind of cough, you cannot even say something before you say what a cough. Before you say what a cough, I could not talk, so I just played music all along. And that was one of the important reasons I placed my channel on Thursday for talking, Sunday for music. So in case of urgency. And I'm very happy I made that decision from the very beginning of my YouTube journey. And we are going to be playing music every Sunday or in case of urgency. Yeah. So right now, guys, the dough is ready. This is the consistency I was talking about. So you notice I did not use my hand to mix this dough. You can use your hand, and you can also use turning stick to mix it. And as for me, I'm that type of person. Whenever I'm in kitchen, I'm always, my 2 hands are always in the tap. I'm always washing things, washing my hands. So I don't want to waste too much of this dough because it's so sticky and soft. Yeah, so I don't want to waste it. To cut the dough, place your hand into a water bowl or oil your hand. Then pack up some dough, drag it against the mixing bowl and pull it up. Transfer the dough into the hot oil. Fry on a medium heat until it turns golden brown, and keep stirring it consistently so it will not get burnt. And guys, one batch is ready. So just take a look at that shiny color. Just take a look. So beautiful. Then pack it out from the oil and place it on a paper towel. And continue cutting and frying until you get to the final part. So guys, right now buns is ready, so you can see it. Just take a look at these beautiful buns. It came out so beautiful. See how crunchy it is. And if you have watched this video to this point, that means you are part of the amazing family. Thank you so much for staying tuned. And if you have not subscribed, consider to subscribe. If you have done that already, thank you for subscribing. So guys, let's take a look at this beautiful and yummy buns. It's so soft and it can be paired with any of your favorite drinks. I hope you try this recipe out, and if you do, just let me know in a comment. So guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and leave a comment, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.